All right, children. So here we are after few breaks, right? We are into the session 4, chapter 13, surface areas and volumes. Okay. In the previous session, we solved exercise 13.1 up till question number 4. All right. Now we will see the fifth one. Are you ready for the fifth one? Yes. Let's see the statement. What it is asking us to do. A hemispherical depression is cut out from one face of cubical wooden block. We have cubical wooden block, a solid wooden block. From one end, let's say the top surface, we cut what? Hemispherical depression. आइसक्रीम का स्कूप होता है निकालने के लिए, वो हेमिस्फेरिकल थिंग. अच्छा, ऐसा हेमिस्फेरिकल डिप्रेशन इज मेड by cutting the top surface of the cubical wooden block. Okay. Such that in such a way we cut that the diameter, it said L. No number. No known number. 5, 10, 20, nothing. It's L. Such that the diameter L of hemisphere, हेमिस्फीयर का डायमीटर होगा, that is equal to L, is equal to the age of the cube, is equal to the age. Age means how many edges a cube has? 12 edges. Faces are 6, edges are 12. That is side. That is what we call length. Okay. Determine the surface area of remaining solid. Determine the surface area of remaining solid. जो क्यूब हमने लिया after making hemispherical depression. What is the surface area of that block? Try to understand. I'll draw the figure. It will be much better. This is cubical wooden block. And that's the depression. आपकी समझ में आ रहा है? That's the depression made. Very interesting, children. Very, very interesting. After cutting out this hemispherical depression from the wooden, determine surface area of remaining solid. जो solid है उसका surface area, whatever is left, 1, 2, 3, 4 and bottom, 5 faces are there. So वो एक का L square, तो 5 side का 5L square, 5 साइड का 5L square. दूसरा, यहां कॉर्नर्स पे होगा, there will be some surface on the corner. ये डॉटेड लाइन अंदर है. This is inside. Can you see this area? Yes. हाँ, तो यहां भी होगा और यहां भी होगा. Are you getting me? ये आपकी समझ में आ रहा है ना? वो कैसे ढूंढेंगे? टॉप सरफेस minus the area of circle. So only these parts will be left. So वो भी सरफेस एरिया रिमेनिंग में आ गई. और बोलिए अंदर का, लेकिन क्या कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया ऑफ हेमिस्फीयर। समझ में आया? समझ में आया? एक काम करते हैं, विल फाइंड आउट द टोटल सरफेस एरिया, दैट मीन्स 6L स्क्वायर। उसमें से इतना निकाल देंगे, एरिया ऑफ टॉप सर्कुलर पार्ट। सो 5 साइड्स और ये 4 कॉर्नर्स, उसके एरिया आ गए। एंड देन इन दैट वी विल ऐड व्हाट? कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया ऑफ हेमिस्फीयर। सो फॉर्मूला हमें खुद बनानी होगी। required area is total surface area of cube minus area of circle, ये जो सर्कल होगा वो, प्लस कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया ऑफ हेमिस्फीयर। You understand? Area of circle means top of the hemisphere. Now this is hollow because depression is made. Have you got your target? Did you understand? And of course, इसकी फॉर्मूला क्यूब की होगी 6L स्क्वायर, इसकी फॉर्मूला पाई आर स्क्वायर, और ये प्लस बोलो 2 पाई आर स्क्वायर। Whatever is the radius of this top circular part, same is the radius of hemisphere as well. Correct? Now, no figure is given to us. कोई भी फिगर यहां दिया गया नहीं है। क्या करें? चलिए, I'll start first with the 2 figures. पहले टाइटल दे दो क्यूब, और उसके बाद बाजू में हेमिस्फीयर। Alright? Cube doesn't have anything. Length, that's all. Only L. So there is no confusion. इसमें सिर्फ L लगेगा, लेंथ, और इसमें आपको सिर्फ रेडियस लगेगा और डायमीटर। रेडियस और डायमीटर। नाउ इट इज गिवन one statement such that diameter L of hemisphere is equal to the edge of cube. So this edge L है, edge is L ही कहा गया है, and the diameter is also L. I hope you have understood. इसको कैपिटल L बोल दूं डिस्टिंग्विश करने के लिए, क्योंकि वहां L दिया है ना, तो मैं इसको कैपिटल L बोल दूं। Alright? And what is the edge? Capital L. But how much is that edge equal to? Small l. Are you getting me? So L, capital L, that is edge of the cube, is small l. But that is also diameter. I'll read that again. Cut out the hemispherical depression from the one side of the cube such that diameter, which is L, of the hemisphere is equal to the edge of the cube. Edge of the cube I have used capital letter, that is L, and diameter, that is also L. बोलिए, radius would be how much? Because radius is equal to d by 2. L by 2. Very good. L by 2. Bas. Now you are required area. Go for it. जैसा कर्म करोगे वैसा भर देगा भगवान, है ना? ऐसा ही देगा आपको। जैसे को जैसे करनी, तो सब एल में ही दिया है, तो आंसर भी एल में ही आएगा। आर यू गेटिंग मी? उन्होंने हमको एल दिया, हम उसको एल में ही जवाब देंगे, और कोई फिगर तो है नहीं, नंबर तो है नहीं। नाउ वी आर रेडी। Now, required area is equal to, I'll write formula 6L square. ओ कैपिटल L लेना पड़ेगा, हाँ, क्योंकि हमने L बोला है क्यूब का। 6L square माइनस I R square प्लस 2 I R square। चिल्ड्रन, थोड़ा सिंप्लीफिकेशन हो जाने वाला है। 6L square, these are like terms, क्योंकि दोनों रेडियस सेम है, -1 plus 2 plus 1 pi r square. I hope you have understood that. It's like -x plus 2x. Like terms, difference sign subtract करो 1x और plus pi r square और 2 pi r square. Difference sign subtract किया 1 pi r square और plus. चलिए 6 into L square. What is L? Small l. Plus pi into r square. But what is r? L by 2. That is equal to 6 L square plus pi L square by 4. Take L square common. Take L square common. Bracket में 6 plus pi by 4. You will go for LCM. L square तो common है. LCM is 4 upon 1. So 4s are 1s are 4 6s are 24 plus 1 into this is 5. So you may write like this. 1 upon 4 है ना, डिनोमिनेटर में 4 है, मैंने अलग कर दिया. फिर ब्रैकेट में 24 प्लस इंटू L स्क्वायर. एंड व्हाट इज दिस चिल्ड्रन? क्या ढूंढ रहे थे हम लोग? एरिया. सो आई कैन पुट द वर्ड ए और वर्ड एरिया और लेटर ए. मीटर, सेंटीमीटर, नथिंग इज गिवन. सो यूनिट स्क्वायर. Area is square unit, square centimeter, square meter, and then finally you have to write the answer. The surface area of remaining solid is 1/4 24 plus pi L square. Sir, आपने pi की वैल्यू कहीं क्यों नहीं डाली? पर उन्होंने कोई वैल्यू ही नहीं दी है क्योंकि pi की वैल्यू 22/7 होती है. हम इंतजार करते हैं जब भी पाई की वैल्यू डालते हैं कि वो 7 कैंसिल होगा कि नहीं होगा, है ना. अब यहाँ कोई नंबर ही नहीं है तो 7 का को 22/7 लिखने का कोई मतलब है ही नहीं. जैसी करनी जैसे को हम वैल्यू क्यों डालें? इज दैट ओके? फाइन, श्योर. सो वी मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट वन नाउ. सो हियर वी आर विद द नेक्स्ट सम एंड इट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 from exercise 13.1. Let's see the statement and try to understand. A medicine capsule. That's the shape of the capsule. We know, we are very much familiar with, cylindrical capsule with 2 hemispherical ends. In the shape of cylinder, that capsule has cylindrical shape with 2 hemisphere. You can see 2 hemisphere stuck to its ends. The length of the entire capsule is 44 millimeter. So this is first sum where we have millimeter. The entire length. This is the length. Entire length. That is 14 millimeter. This entire length is 14 millimeter. With diameter of capsule. This is diameter. है ना? ये diameter होगा. This will be the diameter. Alright? Diameter of the capsule is how much? 5 millimeter. 5 millimeter. Alright? Did you understand? और दोनों का diameter same रहेगा. Diameter of cylinder and diameter of hemisphere are going to be the same. Okay, fine. Find surface area. इसका surface area ढूंढना है. तो उसकी surface में you have what? ये क्या है? हाँ, उसकी कौन सी surface है? Curved surface. फिर curved surface. और cylinder का curved surface area of hemisphere plus curved surface area of hemisphere plus curved surface area of cylinder. Hemisphere दोनों ऐड कर देंगे तो sphere हो जाए. Are you getting me? So, लेकिन हम hemisphere plus hemisphere लिखेंगे फिर उसका टोटल कर देंगे. Is that clear? So पहले टारगेट डिसाइड करें. Required area. Curved surface area of hemisphere plus कर्व सरफेस एरिया ऑफ हेमिस्फीयर प्लस कर्व सरफेस एरिया ऑफ सिलेंडर। चलो हेमिस्फीयर का कितना होता है 2 पाई आर स्क्वायर, 2 पाई आर स्क्वायर। दूसरा हेमिस्फीयर सेम साइज का है तो 2 पाई आर स्क्वायर, और सिलेंडर का 2 पाई आर एच। उसके लिए मैं कैपिटल लेटर्स यूज करूंगा, दिस कैपिटल डी, कैपिटल एच, दिस इज कैपिटल आर, और उसके लिए स्मॉल लेटर स्मॉल आर स्मॉल आर स्मॉल आर, और डी विल बी इक्वल स्मॉल डी और कैपिटल डी। आर यू गेटिंग मी? दिस बॉय लिटरली स्लीपिंग बेटा, तेरा ध्यान नीचे। चलो, both the diameters for hemisphere and cylinder are going to be equal, so radii also would be equal. For cylinder I am going to use capital letters and for hemisphere I am going to use so पहले वो मैं काम कर देता हूं। सॉल्यूशन, ओके, सिलेंडर और हेमिस्फीयर। ऑलराइट, सिलेंडर के लिए मैं कैपिटल आर, कैपिटल डी और कैपिटल एच। हेमिस्फीयर में सिर्फ रेडियस होता है और डायामीटर। ऑलराइट, अब कुछ कैलकुलेशंस है। डायामीटर इज गिवन, व्हाट इज डायामीटर? 5 mm. So what will be the radius?
5 by 2.
Okay, 5 by 2 mm, because radius is equal to d by 2. कैपिटल आर और कैपिटल डी सेम होने वाले हैं, यहां लिख देते हैं d is equal to d, से करेक्ट दोनों का। सो d 5 mm, so कैपिटल d is also 5 mm, लेकिन कैपिटल d की तो काम ही नहीं है, d का काम ही नहीं है, फिर भी रेडियस ढूंढने के लिए चाहिए। बोलो 5 by 2 mm। अब हाइट नहीं दी है, दिस हाइट इज नॉट गिवन, द हाइट इज नॉट गिवन, टोटल लेंथ इज गिवन। अब लेंथ को आपको समझना है। यहां से यहां क्या हुआ, फिर यहां से यहां का डिस्टेंस क्या हुआ, हाइट एच। ये रेडियस कैपिटल आर भी बोल सकते हैं हम लोग, स्मॉल आर भी बोल सकते हैं। फिर यहां से यहां क्या हुआ, स्मॉल आर कहना हो तो स्मॉल आर कहेंगे, स्मॉल आर, क्योंकि ये हेमिस्फीयर का पार्ट है ना, हेमिस्फीयर के लिए स्मॉल लेटर्स। सो यहां एक कैलकुलेशन होगा, लेंथ, चलिए पहले यही कैलकुलेट कर देते हैं। लेंथ इज इक्वल टू हाउ मच, h प्लस r प्लस r, सही है। बट व्हाट इज लेंथ गिवन, 40। व्हाट इज h गिवन, वी डोंट नो। व्हाट इज r गिवन, 5 by 2 प्लस 5 by 2, तो टोटल 5 होगा, है ना। सो 14 इज इक्वल टू h प्लस लाइक डिनोमिनेटर 2, 5 प्लस 5 दैट इज 14 इज इक्वल टू h प्लस 10 by 2 is 5. Therefore, 14 minus 5 is equal to h, i.e. h is equal to 9. 9 mm. Okay. Now we can go for our final. Now, required area is equal to, बोलिए, 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r square, 4 pi r square plus 2 pi r। ऑलराइट, चलो वैल्यू डालिए, 4 into 22 upon 7 into r, बोलिए 5 by 2 into 5 by 2 plus 2 into 22 upon 7, what is r, that is 5 by 2, and what is h, 9। स्मार्ट वर्क करना होगा यहां टू मेक योर सिंप्लीफिकेशन वर्क इजियर। व्हाट इज कॉमन, जो डायरेक्ट कॉमन मुझे मिल रहा है ना, बस आई एम टेकिंग कॉमन 22 upon 7 into 5 by 2, ओके, या ब्रैकेट में 4, ओके, दिस यू मे कैंसल, 2 1s are 2, है ना। So 5 into 2 is 10. यहाँ कुछ कैंसल नहीं, बोलो 2 9 जा 18। समझ में आया कि नहीं? हाँ बेटा 2 2 क्या ना, ये तो कॉमन में गया, ये कैंसिल नहीं होगा, ये कॉमन में गया है। आर यू गेटिंग मी? ये कॉमन में नहीं गया था। 10 + 18 7 का इलाज निकल गया, देखा? या दिस यू कैन कैंसल 2 1 जा 2 11 जा 11/7 into 5 into 28 7 1 जा 7 4 जा, so that is 11 into 20 and that is 220. What is this? Area and a millimeter square. Don't forget that, millimeter square. So what is the surface area of capsule? After that we will have to write the surface area of capsule is 220 millimeter square. Is that clear? Moving on to the next one, and that is number 7. Alright, so the next sum, that is number 7 from exercise 13.1. Yes, it's important, any question can be asked. Alright, this is more important. Let's see the statement and try to understand. A tent. You might think that conical one, but here its design is slightly different. हम सिर्फ conical part को ही देखते हैं whenever we hear the word tent, but here the tent is bit modified. Okay, थोड़ा innovative है. Let's see. A tent is in the shape of cylinder. The shape of cylinder. Surmounted by a conical top. So the first, the lower part is cylindrical and the upper part is conical. I can draw that figure here. This is cylindrical part, okay, and here is the conical part. So the tent is in this shape. Normally we think a tent is like this, correct? And yes, of course, mostly the tent is just conical in shape. But here the tent has a special design with cylinder surmounted by a conical top. I'll read that statement again. A tent is in the shape of cylinder surmounted by a conical top. And of course, if we talk about tent, it is made up of cloth material, which is called canvas or sometimes tarpaulin. Okay? If the height and the diameter, you have height, diameter of cylindrical part, they are talking about only the cylindrical part, are 2.1 meter, that is height, and 4 meter, that is diameter. Okay, so what is the height of cylindrical part?
2.1 meter.
And what is the diameter?
4 meter.
Fine. And the slant height of the top, जो top है, which is conical. The slant height of this top is 2.8
meter.
Find the area of canvas used for making the tent. Where is canvas used in making? Count surface area of cylindrical part and count surface area of. So area of canvas will be count surface area of cylinder plus count surface area of. That's the target. Okay. Also find the cost of canvas of the tent at the rate of ₹500 per meter square. That is simple cross multiplication. If you have to purchase 1 meter square of canvas, it's going to cost you ₹500. How much canvas you are going to purchase? जितनी requirement होगी. All right. Solution में 2 parts. Combination है ना? So I'll write 2 parts. सॉल्यूशन, एक लिखता हूं मैं सिलेंडर, एंड द नेक्स्ट इज कोन. ऑलराइट. Cylinder has radius, diameter and height. I'll write that. Small r, small d, small h. I'm going to use capital letters for cylinder and small letters for cylinder and capital letters for cone. Cone has radius, diameter, height and slant height. समझ लीजिए, कुछ जरूर नहीं होगा बट फिर भी आप लिखो. Now the details are given. One more thing to be noted here. Whatever is the diameter of cylinder, same is the diameter of cone. Here I can say D is equal to D, i.e. R is equal to R. Both the diameters are equal, so both the radii are also equal. Is that clear to you? Sure? Straightforward. सब सीधा दिया है. What is the height of cylindrical part?
2.1.
So I'm writing in the height 2.1 meter. What is that? Sorry, yes, of course, cylindrical part में height. That is 2.1 meter. And what is the diameter given?
4 meter.
Yes, it's 4 meter. So of course radius is going to be 2 meter because radius is equal to d by 2. Both the diameters are equal, so this is going to be 4 meter. Radii are also equal, so this is going to be 2
Meter.
All right. Well, we have the slant height of the top. What is that?
2.8
Slant height is 2.8
meter.
All right. And I think this is not required at all. In volume formula, we require height. In volume formula, we require height. In surface area, we don't require height. We need slant height. And thank God, slant height is given. I'll put dash. Cancel करवाना मतलब dash की जरूरत नहीं है. All right. So children, हाँ ये target पहले नक्की कर लो, decide कर लो. कब surface of cylinder? Cylinder मैंने small letters लिया है. 2 pi r h plus कब surface of cone? Pi capital R L. So is small r available? Yes. H available? Yes. R available? Yes. L available? Yes. Everything is available. Thank God, everything is in the statement. Okay. Now, required area. Required is equal to. Yeah, you can write 2 pi r h plus pi r l. I'll put the values and then take common. वो idea common वाला. So 2 into 22 upon 7 into r, that is 2 into h, that is 21 upon 10. Yes, plus I'll leave a gap as well. Pi 22 upon 7 into r, that is 2 into L, that is 28 upon 10. I think I should go for the cancellation. बहुत सारा multiplication parts है, right? Okay, 7 ones are 7 3s are. Now I won't cancel anything. 7 ones are 7 4s are. All right. Now I should not cancel anything, but take common. So what you have common, जो direct common मिले चले h काट दो 2, and in the denominator we have 10. So take that common. 2 into 22 upon 10. That's taken common. All right. The rest actually 4. ये 2 और 4 में 2 common निकल सकता है, but I'm not doing that. We don't have to be very what we call क्या कहते हैं वो word I'm not getting, लोभी, greedy. We don't have to be very much greedy here. All right, 2 और 4 से 2 भी common निकल रहा है, लेकिन जो direct common निकल रहा है वही निकालेंगे. बोलो 2 3s are 6 plus यहाँ क्या बचा है सिर्फ 4. All right, वो 10 cancel देखो. See this? So 2 into 22 upon 10 multiplied by 10 gone. So that is equal to 44 meters square, and that is area. That is area. So one part of question is answer. The area of canvas required is 44 meters square. there is other question also, find the cost. वो तो सिंपल है, कॉस्ट जो रुपीस में होगा और एरिया जो मीटर स्क्वायर में है. यस, द रेट 1 meter square, the cost is rupees 500. So in meter square we have 44 meter square. So what will be the cost? So that gives me cross multiplication. I'm going to multiply here. 500 multiplied by 44 upon 1. 5 fours are 20 and 22 and 2 more zeros. So 22,000 rupees. All right. So cost of canvas would be 22,000 rupees. And then finally you can write the answer. Is that clear?
Yes.
So that was easy, I think. Okay. In 9th standard, similar sum was there, but the width of the canvas was given. Width. Alright? Because when you buy the canvas from the market, it is like the shutting cloth or suiting cloth that you buy. It's a long rectangular piece of cloth from which they will pull and cut and give you. You understand? So whatever length you want, you will get. But the width is constant. It is fixed. तो ऐसा ही एक 9th में सम था. Width of the canvas is given. How long canvas? What length canvas will you buy from the market? This area is equal to area of canvas. But canvas piece that you are buying from the market is rectangular. So length into breadth. So that breadth is given, width is given. So from that you will get length. Extension of condition. Extension of
condition.
ठीक है. वो सम I'll put, आप जरा देख लेना, वीडियो में रखूंगा. Okay? So that's all that we have in this session. See you in the next session. Goodbye. Have a nice day.
Stay